Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. Today we will discuss how to get rid of ear infection in dogs. Does your dog constantly scratch or rub its ear? It could be a red flag signaling an ear infection, an element most dogs have at one time or another. The problem is more common during the summer months. The most likely causes are bacterial or yeast infections, air mite infestations, and sometimes food allergies. Though your dog's ear has a natural defense mechanism to fend out foreign bodies, no system works perfectly at all times. If your dog is suffering from an ear infection, some of the prominent signs and symptoms include constantly scratching the ear, whipping or rubbing the ear on the floor, shaking the head, a foul odor or discharge from the ear, redness and swelling. You may also notice flaky skin and loss of hair around the ear. In some cases, there can even be hearing loss. Your vet can suggest a number of products to treat the problem. However, if you want to try a natural approach using home remedies, there are a number of household items that can come to your aid. Home remedy number 1, tea tree oil. Tea tree oil is used in small concentration and diluted and carrier oil can effectively treat your dog ear infection. Add 3 drops of tea tree essential oil to 1 tablespoon of olive oil. Thoroughly mix the two oils. Using a dropper, put a few drops of the oil blend in your dog's outer ear. Swab it gently all over the visible part of the ear. Apply once daily for 1 to 2 weeks to heal the infection. Home remedy number 2, Blue Power treatment. Blue Power treatment is one of the most effective methods to get rid of ear infection in dogs. Put 2 tablespoons of boric acid powder in a pitcher. Add about 8 ounces of rubbing alcohol to the boric acid. Stir the solution to thoroughly blend the ingredients. Transfer the solution to a bottle. Mix in gentian violet solution and apply to dog infected ears. Repeat the remedy twice daily for 1 to 2 weeks. Home remedy number 3, Apple cider vinegar. Organic apple cider vinegar is a blessing for both humans and their dogs. Pour half cup of each distilled water and apple cider vinegar into a spray bottle. Put the nozzle back on the bottle and shake it to mix the ingredients. Spray the solution in your dog's ear. Use the solution to clean your dog's ear twice daily for 2 weeks to get rid of the infection. Home remedy number 4, white vinegar. White vinegar containing acetic acid can also be effective in treating ear infection in dogs. Pour half cup of white vinegar into a spray bottle. Add half cup of distilled water to the vinegar. Pour the nozzle back onto a bottle and shake it thoroughly. Mix the liquid. Spray the solution in your dog's ear. Apply it twice a day for 1 to 2 weeks. Home remedy number 5, Tornate Air Powder. If none of the above remedies work, you can try treating your dog's ear with a commercial Tornate Conquer powder. Apply half teaspoon of Tornate powder into your dog's ear. Close the ear flap and gently massage the ear. Apply once daily for 1 week. Home remedy number 6, coconut oil. Coconut oil is a renowned health food and has antibacterial and natural healing properties. Melt the coconut oil into a liquid form. Let it cool off a bit before administering into your dog. Use an eyedropper to put a few drops of the oil in your dog's ear. Massage gently so that the oil coats the ear canal. Use it twice daily for 1 to 2 weeks to clear up the infection. Before proceeding, examine your dog's ear for any sign of broken or cut skin and inflammation. If such cases, do not try to clean the ear or use any home treatment. Ideally, wait for a few days for the inflammation to subside. If the inflammation persists, it is best to consult your vet. Thanks for watching this video. Like this video, share this video and subscribe our channel for more interesting videos.